That boy crazy. All right, you guys. We're going somewhere. First time ever. First time for the kids. All right, we here at the mall, man. At the mall, baby. Grab a bite to eat. Cause it's time to eat. Cause I mean, it is called. We are here at the Rainforest Cafe. Pretty cool, huh, you guys?
Any reservation?
Yes, it was for 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Yo, you see that tree moving? What's up? Oh, you know what? No, I didn't even notice this tank right here. Oh, wow. They're eating. Yeah. You sure could.
He looks so clueless.
Where'd you?
Look how clueless he looks.
Jay, what you think, boy?
It looks so weird.
Guys, right this way.
Come on, you guys. Let's go. Let's go.
Finally eating in here for the first time.
Yeah, first time, baby. So we are here at Rainforest Cafe. Let me tell you, man, these prices are pretty egregious. These prices are really high. Everything is like mid-20s and up. And I can't imagine what they drinks, prices on their drinks looking like. The drinks look good. Now, I ain't gonna lie, the souvenir cups look kind of cool too. Some of the souvenir cups. Like, you know, like little Rainforest. Oh yeah, you did. Yep, you did have one. Boy, put that down, boy. Why your hands wet, boy? What you rubbing your little snot? Yeah, these prices look crazy. Oh my, what the heck? It's the elephants going on. They moving too.
They actually call fish from the ocean. Or lake, whatever.
The fish tanks are cool too, as always. Now that T-Rex one's gonna be dope.
And that's yours too. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're silly. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm done using it.
All right, you got your pizza, your fries. We got this this appetizer here. It comes with like chicken egg rolls and shrimp and everything. Yeah, J Bean. Appreciate it, man. Oh, you don't eat that pizza, boy? Kids got the shrimp and french fries. Hold on, Jay, wait. These are cheese curd. butter? Oh, honey mustard. This the cheese curd sauce or the chicken wrap sauce? I'm trying to. Harley, what you think of your food? What about you, Maya, man? Yeah. Let's try this chicken tender, man. Dip it in a little bit of honey mustard. Shine it up real good. Slight little crunch. At least the chicken ain't dry. How's the artichoke dip?
Look, it's shrimp.
So this was what, $23? So this little platter was $23. Golly. Picture looked huge. Oh boy, tearing up that pizza. Jay, you like your pizza, boy? Oh snap. Oh, what the fuck? What's going on?
See the thunder?
They dancing.
Yeah. Like in some of this.
Right? Like in that Kong ride.
Try this one.
I'm about to right now. Hey, Jay looking like, what the hell going on? He looking like, yo. Jay look concerned, dog. What's going on, boy? Jay look, hey, he really looking like, yo, he looking at it.
Nobody like that ride.
Yeah. Now the Kong thing was really cool. And how the Kong thing was cool. So what sauce was this again, babe?
It's a little spicy.
I'm gonna try it out. Artichoke dip, baby. I mean, I had better artichoke dip.
Yeah.
Tap 42's artichoke dip is like amazing. You're really just playing for theme in here. The kids is enjoying it, so that's all that matters. I don't feel like I don't really taste much of anything. It's bland, but I mean, at least it's crispy though. So the wrap is crispy, but kind of bland in flavor. Chicken tenders, at least it ain't dry. Artichoke dip is alright. I mean, $23 for two people, not bad. But like I said, this is like $5. French fries. So this meal here is like $29. All right, let's take a look at this fish tank, man.
Yeah?
Look at the fish. Jay, over here.
Can I hold it? Following
No.
my finger.
Here, let's look at the other one over here too.
Let me look at my finger.
Come over here, you guys. You guys, come over here. You see the fog?
I'm sitting in the chair.
Here, let's go look at this one in the middle. Come on. Food was mediocre. Really just paying for the theming. But kids had a blast here. Kids had a blast. That's all that matters. But yeah, food wasn't all of that.